Maridel, Portland, as we continue our journey. Located about 10 miles southeast of Port Antonio. We are now standing on the bank of the world-famous Rio Grande River, one of Jamaica's largest rivers. This river started in the valley of the Blue and Drunkrow Mountains as it curves and slices its way through this scenic valley as it makes its way to the sea in St. Margaret's Bay. Of course, this river is joined by many rivers along the way, including the Back River and the Guava River. We started out in Berrydale, then onward to Fellowship, and then to Golden Vale, where we'll make a pause. The Rio Grande Valley is known for its cultivation of bananas back in the early days. They are come and no one go home originated in these valleys as farmers carry their goods to the wharf for export. It was one of the songs they would sing to pass time. Bamboo rafting has been going on here for more than 100 years. And these were bamboos tied together and was used as transport for people, animals and goods, and later this turned into a Jamaican tourist attraction. The river is deep with strong currents, so when visiting, don't make the mistake others have made and has caused them not to be with us today. Let's continue downstream.